All right, now that you understand the full lineup of Loop's products, including their Switch, Kids, Engage, Experience, and of course, Quiet, let's actually put these to the test. We're going to play some music here in our test studio. We're going to put the devices inside of our test mannequin, and we'll give you a chance to listen to what it actually sounds like to have each of these different devices in your ear. Let's get into it.